Good evening, my lovelies. This would be a good time for a nightcap, wouldn't you say? For tonight's dreadful drink, we are making the devil's Margarita. It takes only 4 ingredients: tequila, lime juice, simple syrup, and red wine. It's a little sweet, a little tart, and a little spooky. For this drink, you will need 1.5 ounces of tequila blanco. That's clear tequila for the layman. 3/4 ounce lime juice, freshly squeezed. 3/4 ounce simple syrup, and red wine. Here's an evil twist to a classic. In a shaker filled with ice, pour in your tequila, lime juice, and simple syrup. Shake until chilled and pour into a glass of your choice. Shake, I say, shake! Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Set a spoon at a 45-degree angle, barely placed inside of the margarita. The back of the spoon should be facing the ceiling. Pinch the top of the wine bottle with your finger and slowly pour the wine onto the back of the spoon and let it drizzle onto the surface of the margarita. Pour until you've had about 1/2 inch of red wine in the glass. Congratulations, you've made an amazingly chilling layer drink. And if you didn't know, tequila is heavier than wine, which is why the wine is able to float on top. Practice makes perfect, my lovelies. And if you don't know how to make simple syrup, it's quite easy. You only need 2 ingredients: equal parts water and sugar. For an example, a cup of water to a cup of sugar. Put them in a microwave-safe bowl, warm them until the liquid has become clear. Heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. That is how easy that is. If you'd like it to be less sweet, then double the water to the amount of sugar. If you don't want to make simple syrup, Sprite will work just fine. Now, for a toast to terror. Cheers, my dears, and bottoms up.